Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best two-person lawn chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you need something lightweight for camping, heavy duty, for backyard lounging, or just a budget-friendly option for casual use, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Hostile Foldable Camping Chair, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $35.99. This chair is designed for those who want a simple yet functional two-person seating solution without breaking the bank. Its key features include a durable 600D Oxford fabric construction paired with a steel frame, offering a weight limit of 500 pounds across 2 seats. The ergonomic armrests and built-in cup holders add a touch of convenience to your outdoor experience. While the Hostile chair is incredibly lightweight, at just 10.8 pounds, its compact design makes it easy to pack and carry in the included storage bag. However, what sets it apart is its focus on portability without sacrificing comfort. The seat height is 16.9 inches, making it suitable for various terrains, from picnics in the park to fishing trips by the lake. That said, its relatively low weight capacity per seat, 250 pounds, and minimal padding might not be ideal for extended lounging. Overall, the Hostile is perfect for casual users and families who need an affordable, no-frills option for outdoor activities. While it lacks premium features like extra padding or oversized dimensions, it's hard to beat the value at this price point. Just keep in mind its limitations in terms of weight capacity and long-term comfort. Coming in at number 4 is the Wild Roots Outdoor Folding Double Camping Chair, priced at $56.99. This chair offers a great balance of affordability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a step up from budget options. With a weight capacity of 600 pounds and a sturdy 20mm steel tube frame, it's built to handle more demanding outdoor scenarios. The 600D high-density Oxford fabric ensures durability, while the slightly reclining backrest and ergonomic armrests provide a surprisingly comfortable seating experience. One standout feature is its portability. Weighing only 14.74 pounds, it folds down to a compact size of 7 inch by 9 inch by 36.6 inch and fits neatly into the included carry bag. This makes it ideal for camping trips or outdoor movie nights. The dual cup holders are a thoughtful touch, accommodating drinks up to 22 ounces. However, while the chair is spacious enough for 2 adults and even a small dog, the padding is minimal, so it's better suited for short-term use rather than all-day lounging. The Wild Roots chair shines in versatility and convenience, being perfect for couples or families who enjoy a variety of outdoor activities. Its solid construction and lightweight design make it a reliable choice. But if you're after a plush, padded seat for extended periods, this might not fully meet your needs. At number 3, we have the Nubro Oversized Double Camping Chair, priced at $75.99. This chair stands out for its generous dimensions and fully padded design, making it a great mid-range option for those who prioritize comfort. With a width of 57 inches and a weight capacity of 600 pounds, this chair is built to accommodate 2 adults comfortably. The inclusion of 2 mesh storage pockets and dual cup holders adds extra functionality, making it ideal for long outdoor sessions. The chair's construction features a sturdy steel frame and 600D padded Oxford fabric, ensuring durability and support. What's more, the extra-wide design allows for enough room to lounge comfortably, even with a pet. It also folds easily into a compact size of 37.5 inches by 10 inches for storage, and the included carry bag makes transportation a breeze. However, at 16.72 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the other options, though this weight is justified by the added padding and overall build quality. The Nubro chair is perfect for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or even sports events. Its combination of comfort, durability, and thoughtful design elements like padded armrests and storage pockets make it a versatile choice. On the downside, its higher weight might make it less portable for long hikes, but for most outdoor scenarios, It's a fantastic option. Taking the number 2 spot is the Husk Firm two-person camping chair, priced at $79.99. This chair offers a perfect blend of size, durability, and comfort, making it a fantastic option for couples and families. With an oversized design measuring 57.5 inches wide and a hefty 650-pound weight capacity, it can handle just about any outdoor seating needs. The thick padding and durable 600D Oxford fabric ensure a comfortable and long-lasting experience. This chair is packed with thoughtful features, including 2 larger cup holders, 2 wine glass holders, and back pockets for additional storage. These small touches make it feel like a premium choice at a mid-range price. The anti-slip foot pads and reinforced legs ensure stability on various terrains, from sandy beaches to grassy lawns. At 14 pounds, it's still light enough to be portable, and the included carry bag makes storage and transportation a breeze. The Husk Firm chair is a great all-around option for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable, comfortable, and feature-rich Loveseat. While it doesn't have the high loft padding of the premium option, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants a durable and comfortable chair at a reasonable price. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Husk Firm Double Camping Chairs Padded Loveseat, the premium option on our list, priced at $129.95. This chair is the ultimate choice for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, durability, or design. With a massive 800-pound weight capacity and a sturdy steel frame, it's built for heavy-duty use. The 800D Oxford fabric is not only durable, but also features high loft padding throughout the seat and backrest for unmatched comfort. What truly sets this chair apart is the attention to detail. The oversized design offers plenty of room for 2 adults, and the adjustable cup holders ensure your beverages are always within reach. Despite its robust construction, the chair folds down easily and fits into a compact carry bag for transport. At 22.8 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list, but that weight translates to premium build quality and comfort. The Husk Firm Padded Loveseat is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want the best of the best. Whether you're lounging by the campfire, watching a sunset on the beach, or hosting a backyard party, this chair delivers in every way. While the price tag may seem steep, the combination of comfort, durability, and premium features makes it worth every penny for those who demand top-tier quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.